case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1993 South Dakota Supreme Court case, in re the estate of Jackson, Mary Jackson's life estate in a property she had given to Iola Miller and Ileane Brosnan came under scrutiny. After a hailstorm damaged the property, Jackson passed away before her insurance claim was settled. Miller, who managed Mary's estate, distributed the insurance money between herself and Brosnan, sparking a legal battle over who was entitled to the funds. The court ultimately ruled that the insurance proceeds belonged to Jackson's estate and were to be distributed among the beneficiaries. Furthermore, the court held that Mary's estate was responsible for property repairs after her death, as Mary's legal obligation to maintain the property during her life estate did not end with her passing. Brosnan appealed the decision, but the court upheld their ruling, emphasizing the legal responsibility of life estate holders to maintain and repair the property during their lifetimes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.